So before we start today's video, just a small update about the new car. So basically I was supposed to do that video today, that is the new car vlog, but unfortunately the car has not come in yet. Apparently the registration is taking a little more. I don't understand why that shit happens. I don't believe personally it should take more than 24 to 48 hours. But either ways that's getting delayed, so I think the car is going to come on probably Thursday or Friday if I'm not mistaken. So the next vlog for sure is going to be about the new car. And apart from showing you the new car, what I have decided to also do is to address a very important topic that you all guys have been interested in since day one. That is knowing about what I do and how I make my money and how am I able to afford all these things on a monthly basis. So yes, I have decided to talk about that, and I will share what I think is right and enough for you guys to know as of now in that video as well. So yeah, I'm really excited for that vlog. Also another small update, just a second. So yeah, before we start today's video, once again a small little update, that is about the package. If you remember, I mentioned that I have a huge package coming in which is stuck in customs via FedEx for a long time, and it has a couple of nice things which is kind of holding back a couple of my videos that I was supposed to do it last month itself. But nevertheless, there's some progress that started moving, and I think I should get that probably in the next 2-3 days. But any which ways, I'm too excited to do the car video, so we're going to do the car video first, and probably we'll unbox all those things in the video after that. So coming back to today's topic, today we are going to talk about some of the upcoming sneaker releases for the month of November. So those of you who are new here, I do this video at the end or the beginning of every month, wherein we talk about some of the sneakers that I'm expecting them to be released in India and whether you should be buying them or not. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So we are back at doing this again. Now the problem with this kind of videos that I'm facing from the past couple of months is that over and over again I have been talking about a couple of sneakers, and they've just been getting delayed and they're not coming out. Like for example, the Biohacks, the Dark Mochas. I think today will be the third time I will be mentioning those sneakers, but sadly if you watch my older videos, I told you guys what the issue is going on. The shipment from Nike is somehow still screwed up because of the whole pandemic situation, and a lot of sneakers that we were supposed to see release in store at the Super Kicks and Veg Non-Veg have not yet made it, and I don't really understand when is this issue going to be resolved, because if you look at Adidas, then Adidas is absolutely on track and they've been getting a lot of Yeezys and all the other sneakers on a monthly basis since quite some time now, and they seem to have overcome the pandemic issue. But then that is Adidas, and if they don't really get their things on time, then I doubt they will even sell, so they have no option but to work hard for that. So let's leave that out. But any which ways, I hope Nike gets this problem sorted and all these things start coming sooner if not later, and we should be back on the schedule. Now this is probably the last time I'm making this video in this year. I will be skipping out the one in December or January because it's really getting too monotonous, and not all the sneakers are making it, and people get excited. They have a lot of hope of copying sneakers and then they don't come, and it's a major disappointment. So let's just go through all the sneakers that are expected to come in November, and I will also give you my opinion whether it is a cop or a drop for either personal use or for reselling. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Alright, so starting with Adidas as usual. There are again a hell lot of Yeezys due to come out in November, and apart from that there is another sneaker. Anyways, let's just get started with that. Just give me a moment please. Alright, so here I have the list that I compiled of the sneakers that I'm expecting. So let's talk about Yeezys first. The first one we're expecting is the 350 V2 Fade. Now this sneaker looks pretty fade to me. I mean, it's kind of stupid, and I don't know, just another color for 350 V2s, and I'm tired of saying the same thing over and over again. If you're a first time buyer and you don't have any Yeezy yet, then this is what is relevant only for you in your case. But for the rest, this is yet another stupid colorway of the same damn shoe once again. So I will definitely be staying away from this, and I will give it a drop either for personals or for reselling. But either ways, again, if you are new for reselling in Yeezys, then please go and watch my video once again, because the best part to make money selling Yeezys is only by flipping them immediately on the day of release, because the demand does not take more than 24 hours before it drops and the sneakers turn out to be bricks. Moving on, next we have the 700 V3 in another colorway, that is the safflower or whatever you call it. It is the yellow colorway as against the blue one which we saw in the Azareth. Now, I don't think these sneakers are going to do great. The Azareth, by the way, did kind of well, and they are, in fact, if I'm not mistaken, selling for more than the Alwas. But nevertheless, both of them are pretty much equal and they will continue to do great. As far as this one goes in the yellow colorway, I don't think it is as good looking as the other ones, and not a lot of people will be wanting it. But nevertheless, since the quantities are very limited in India, so there will again be a lot of first timers who would want to get into the 700 V3 race, and for that sake only it might do well. But again, like I said, if you are buying it for reselling it, then you have to make sure you flip it the same day for whatever money you can get over it. Moving on, we have the most awaited Yeezy of the year, at least for me, that is the Yeezy 380 Onyx, or if the name changes, I'm not very much sure. Point is, they are the all black version of the 380 which we first saw along with the aliens, and they were supposed to come out a few months earlier, but I'm not sure why they got delayed. Any which ways, they're coming out now, and in the reflective and the non-reflective version. The reflective version you don't need to care about because they will most probably not make it to India, and as far as the non-reflective one goes, it doesn't really matter because that shoe is one of the best and the most comfortable Yeezys ever, and you can obviously never go wrong because in the all black colorway, all Yeezys have a much higher demand. So I am personally waiting for this, and I would definitely give this a cop for personals as well as reselling. Now, the last Yeezy we have is the Yeezy 500 Utility Black, which is a restock of a colorway that had come out, I think, in 2019 or no, 2018 if I'm not mistaken. Either way, this is a restock. As you must have heard and seen on Instagram, a couple of Yeezys are scheduled to restock in a couple of colorways, so this is one of those. Personally, I kind of like the Yeezy 500s, and I think they look kind of funky on feet and they're pretty cool. Comfort wise, they are great too, although not as comfortable as other Yeezys, but definitely very close up there. Now, I'm not sure if the restock is going to come in India or Asia, or if it's only an American restock. We don't have any news yet, but however, if it does come to all the regions, then we should definitely get them here in India as well, and if that happens, then this is a must cop for personal use. And about reselling, I'm not very sure because 500s overall do not have that high a demand. So these were all the Yeezys. Now there's another sneaker from Adidas coming out in November. There is the Adidas Bape Undefeated collaboration in the ZX8000 silhouette. Now, like I said in the past couple of videos, that Adidas has a lot of sneakers scheduled in the ZX series that have been coming out, and India has been getting all of them. So there are very high chances that we will get this Bape Undefeated collab as well. So they are coming out in two colorways, that is the bright green and the black colorway. Now personally, I am not at all a fan of the silhouette, that is the ZX8000. I think those shoes are a little too athletic for casual and lifestyle use. But either ways, there are people who are fan of those sneakers, and not just that, there are people who have always loved the Bape Adidas collaboration. So if you are not able to buy any sneaker from that collaboration in the history, then now is your chance. And if this does come to India, then it is a definite cop for personals. About reselling, I am not very sure on this one how it might go, even though it is Bape, but the silhouette is not as hype, so it's kind of dicey. So just to be safe, I would stay away from the reselling aspect of those shoes, but personally it's a great cop. So these were all the sneakers that we have in Adidas. Now talking about Jordans, there aren't as many to talk about because it's the end of the year and not a lot of Jordans are scheduled to drop in this last stage of the year, and there are a lot of expected Jordans in early next year. So we don't know what we might see in November or December until and unless something special comes up out of nowhere. But for now, let's talk about the two Jordan 1s that everyone is waiting for, that is the Biohack and the Dark Mocha. Now both of these sneakers have already released globally, but unfortunately the Indian shipment has not arrived yet. But the chances are extremely high of both of them making it here in November and seeing an in-store release apart from the Nike sneakers India website. I do not really consider that website because the chances to cop from there is extremely low. So for me, an expected sneaker release in India is only the ones that are expected in store in Super Kicks and Veg Non-Veg. So coming back to both of these sneakers, both of them are doing excellent currently in the resale market abroad. I think they're going for around 3x of retail price, and that is only going to be higher within India because the demand is going to be extremely high. Obviously, you know why. That's because the Dark Mocha is inspired by the Travis Scott sneaker, which are currently selling for over 1.5 lakhs, and which is why the Dark Mocha is going to have a very high demand in India, because that's going to be the easiest entry into a sneaker that looks like the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. So if and when they do make it here, be sure to go all out and try it in every single way you can for both of those sneakers. Biohack will be slightly lower than the Dark Mochas, but Dark Mochas are definitely going to break the roof in India. And if you want a reference, then yes, the Smoke Greys and Royal Toes did pretty well in India, and Dark Mochas are at least 2 times more hyped than those sneakers. So you can only imagine what the resale in India will be like. Apart from that, there is nothing else that we can expect special in this month in store. So let me know in the comments below which of these sneakers would you be interested in and which one would you definitely be going all out to try for. And I'll see you in the next video with the new car. Peace. अच्छा मेरे को एक बात बता, ये वीडियो में हमेशा बताता हूँ अपकमिंग रिलीजेस 3 महीने से मैं सेम जूते बार बार बोल रहा हूँ. मैं जिसको पूछता हूँ सब बोलते हैं आने वाला है, पर कोई जूता आ नहीं रहा है. तो मैं वीडियो कैसे बनाऊँ?